Started army crawling. Yes. Brayden is army crawling. Yep. Brayden, what are you doing, baby? You coming to mommy? Or are you just gonna do the regular crawl? You can do that too, can't you? So you've been practicing all day at school, haven't you? Yeah, your teachers told me you've been playing at school. You've been doing your crawling at school, huh? Yeah. Okay, you can crawl to mommy? Come on. Come on. Oh, you can go to your toys instead? Oh, you just can't figure it out. Oh, come on. There we go. You're coming to mommy. You're coming to mommy. Yes. Oh. You got it, baby. Brayden, look. Who is that little man? Good job. Good job. You can get mommy's pants now? There he is. There he is. He crawled over here. Nope. You played with the camera the other day. Mommy's doing it now. Mommy's can do it. Mommy let you tape the other day. You can try rolling back and forth to get it. Are you mommy's silly boy? Mommy get in your way? You want to crawl some more? Mommy is so proud of you. Yes, sir. Mommy is so proud of you. I love you. I love you. You want to do some more? You want to shop a little bit more? And then we got to get ready for... We got to get ready for bed and eat dinner, take a bath, and... Oh. Oh, Brayden. Did you just say, forget it, you're going to go back the other way, baby? Or are you just going to go in circles? You can do that too. That works, doesn't it? See, I've been doing this for a long time, just playing on my toys, and it worked out just fine. Hey, who is that? Who is that? Oh, get the camera. Who is that? You want to talk? Say mama. Mama, who's mama? Huh? Who's mama? Who is mama? You want to say your other words? What else can you say? You say dada. Say dada and nana. So that's about the only three you're doing so far, huh? But that's okay. That's three of the most important ones, isn't it? Oh, I'm tired, Brayden. Oh, mommy's tired. Oh. Oh. You want me to take the camera away, buddy? Oh. Are you okay? Oh, he just pulled it hard and it fell down. Luckily, it didn't hurt him. You okay? That's scared, Mommy. You could have bopped your nose. I could have bopped your nose. You sit back up? Okay. What's that? close up. Oh! Obviously, Brayden has the string. Oh, yep. Okay, baby, you're gonna make people sick. Okay, here, let mommy have it. Let mommy have it. You can come get it. Come on. Brayden. Good baby. Aww. Okay. Here. It's okay. You want it? Yeah. There you go. Oh. It's getting late, isn't it? You gotta hold it that way. Oh, let's not get mommy